Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about simple past tense. So why do we use simple past tense? A moment before something happened, for that particular activity we can use simple past tense. We use simple past tense to talk about recently completed activities. First we will start with affirmative. Affirmative means positive. Simple past tense affirmative singular. I installed an app, he installed an app, she installed an app, it installed an app. It could be a computer also, or it could be a mobile also. You installed an app, you installed an app, we installed an app, and they installed an app. Now, what is the structure? Subject plus V2. Here we are going to use verb in second position. So, subject plus V2 plus object plus full stop. Let's talk about negative. Simple past tense, negative, singular. I did not install an app. So here we are going to use V1 form. When we are going to use did in the sentence, we should use V1. So I did not install an app. He did not install an app. She did not install an app. It did not install an app. You did not install an app. In plural form, you did not install an app, we did not install an app, and they did not install an app. So the structure is subject plus did plus V1 plus object plus full stop. As I mentioned earlier, when we are going to use did in the sentence, we are supposed to use V1 form, verb in first position. Now we will talk about interrogative. Interrogative means questions. So simple past tense, interrogative, singular. Did I install an app? Did he install an app? Did she install an app? Did it install an app? Did you install an app? In plural, did you install an app? Did we install an app? And did they install an app? The structure is did plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. So I believe that you have understood the structure of simple past tense. If you would like to have more information, you can visit my website www.enlightspokenenglish.com. Thank you very much.